Island beds have been a popular addition in the Bailey range for a number of years now. And the Pamplona doesn't compromise on living space, even though it has that fixed bed. Now, the Pamplona has always been a couple's favourite, but being a four-berth caravan, it means you can take away family members or occasional guests. But let's go inside and have a look. The front section of the Pamplona houses the kitchen and the lounge, and what a lounge it is. You can see this large infinity window, which is 50% bigger than the previous Unicorn window. Now, I'm sat on a sprung seat, they're not foam anymore, and this can also transform into a double bed. Or if you don't want to use it as a double bed, these can be used as large singles because they are 6'4" long. The kitchen has an all-new worktop finish, and at the end there's a folding flap to give you even more worktop space. Beneath here there's a dual fuel hob, electric or 3 gas burners, and there's a separate grill and oven. The microwave doesn't have a glass plate, it doesn't need it, which makes it easier when you're travelling. And here there's mid-level lighting which illuminates the cutlery drawer. Now, opposite the kitchen there's a Dometic 153 litre fridge, and alongside that is a telly point. But the key element of this kitchen has to be the new wine rack, which will hold 4 bottles. The washroom is in the centre of the caravan, and to my left is the separate shower. Now, it has a mirror in the shower as well as a handy drop-down hook which allows you to dry coats or towels. In the centre is the dressing area, and to my right is the loo. Now, the loo door can be used in one of 2 ways. Used at the moment, it gives a lovely airy feel throughout the caravan, but if you use the same door to shut the front from the rear, it creates separate sleeping compartments for occupants at either end of the caravan. Now, in the loo itself, it has that separate Belfast style sink, lots of storage, and with this curved wall to the bedroom, there's also lots of room around the loo. The Pamplona has the bedroom at the rear. Now, this bed has 2 modes: day mode with the bed pushed back and lots of room at the foot of the bed, or night mode where you can pull it out, which gives you additional sleeping room. Now, these wardrobe doors are shaped, which gives the Unicorn 5 the widest bed yet. There are also cubby holes to either side for your nighttime essentials, and at the foot of the bed to my right there's a full-length mirror with a shelf and socket, and to my left there's a separate vanity unit with an all-important TV point above. And finally, one of the Pamplona's secret weapons is this through boot. Now, this allows you to store things across the full width of the caravan, and there's one of these locker doors at either side. And you can also access this storage space from under that fixed bed. So in summary, the Pamplona is a larger twin-axle caravan, but it's a no-compromise caravan. The layout is split into 3 distinct sections, and it has that very generous bedroom.